Hello my friend, welcome to my new video for Android application. So today another app I will show you how to change your Android device to look like iPhone 10, all that using this app, but after this short break. Before we start my friend, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, help me reach more subscribers and help me get my first 1000 subscribers. Let's start. So first you go to Google Play and type iPhone 10 launcher and click search. You get the first app here, just go to look on it or just go to install it wherever you want. So I will show you here how it will look after. Like you see, you will get it look like iPhone or iPhone 10. Okay, so there is here more than 1 million download, and you see here the review are 4.2, so it looks good for the current here. So we will just install it. Click install. For the iPhone 10 launcher. So here use the phone and launcher. Okay, you choose if you want to select anyone or just go by this first one. I like this one. This one. Okay. So now we get started. So here, app need new permission, please enable permission on the next screen. So like you see here with for the notification, we will enable the phone X launcher. The step 2 is to just click allow. Okay, just click OK. So here we go to here to enable it, and after that just click allow. Very simple. And you will find the link for this launcher in the description below if you want to download it. That's all for today, my friend. Goodbye. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you next time.